Welcome to this comprehensive review of LightInTheBox, a popular global platform for sourcing affordable products. As one of the leading online suppliers for dropshippers, LightInTheBox offers an extensive range of categories, from electronics and fashion to home decor and beauty products. Their user-friendly website makes it easy to browse, search, and manage orders, whether you're running a small side hustle or a full-fledged e-commerce business. With warehouses in multiple locations, they also ensure faster shipping to key regions, enhancing customer satisfaction for your store. However, LightInTheBox isn't without its drawbacks. Some users have reported inconsistencies in product quality, delayed deliveries, and challenging customer service experiences. It's essential to do thorough research on sellers and reviews before committing to bulk orders. Their pricing is competitive, but be cautious of hidden fees such as shipping or taxes, which can impact your profit margins. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. One standout feature of LightInTheBox is their flash sales and bulk discounts, which can help you secure products at a fraction of the cost compared to other suppliers. Their integration with popular payment methods, like PayPal, ensures safe transactions, giving you added peace of mind when placing orders. For tech-savvy dropshippers, LightInTheBox also offers APIs to simplify inventory management and order processing. If you're considering LightInTheBox as your dropshipping partner, this video will provide you with all the insights you need. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like.